Hi everybody, this is Ryan, and welcome to week 2 of Inferential Statistics. I'm really excited to be moving on to week 2. I've been working on your discussion boards and getting to know you through the introductory videos. A few things I want to go over a little bit in these videos. First off, I want to talk about this week. So this week, you have discussion posts due. And I'll talk about those a little bit later on in this video. You have weekly problems due, and the weekly problems are due on Sunday, and the discussion boards, the initial posts are due on Wednesday, and the follow-up posts are due on Sunday. So we'll talk more about those in just a little bit. But anyway, this week you're going to be talking about confidence intervals, both large and small. You'll talk about sample size of populations, small sample confidence intervals, and some other ways of utilizing confidence intervals. So hopefully you're starting to see a connection between what you did in, say, probability, and now you're moving up to some work on inferential statistics. So with discussion boards, I want you to make sure you take a look at this announcement that goes along with this. But with your discussion posts, you're required to make 2 posts by Wednesday. Those posts are your initial posts. They need to be substantive. They need to be well thought out. They need to be fairly good, and they need to be something that you take some time to do. And when you utilize information that you're getting from, say, the book or from the internet or from other sources, you need to make sure you cite those. And try not to do direct quotes, paraphrase. And I put some resources in this announcement about paraphrasing. So make sure you're doing that. It's really important that you're citing your sources and that your discussion boards are very good. They're well thought out, they're substantive, and they're adding to the content. Because that's really the purpose of them, is to add to the class, to add content. Student-delivered content. You're getting a lot of things from this course through the weekly materials, but we need your thoughts and we need your interpretations and your applications of what you're learning about. So make sure you do that. So make sure you read the information in the discussion about that. Again, I talked about citations a little bit. I put some things in there about paraphrasing and direct quoting. I also put some information about in-text citations and reference lists. Make sure you take a look at that. Again, overall, I've been really impressed so far with your discussion posts that I've read. Some of you haven't posted yet, so make sure you get that done, because it's a big portion of your grade to get those discussion posts done. It allows us to grow. It allows us to hear what you're saying, what your thoughts are. It allows you to interact, because in an online class, we don't get a lot of face-to-face interaction. So this is one of our best ways to interact with each other. You'll have, for this week, for assignments, you have required reading. You have some articles and videos to watch. You have your weekly problems. And you have some readings in your textbook to do and things like that. So make sure you're working on that. And I want to tell you, just an FYI, in week 4, you'll have a midterm. So get that on your radar as well. So that's really all I got for today. A short little video. If you have questions, please reach out to me. Email me. You can also post things in the course cafe and discussions, and I'll take a look at those. I usually try to log in about every day and look at discussions and try to read them and maybe reply a little bit if I see something really good, or so I have a question, I'll reply to your discussion post. So if you have questions, let me know. I will talk to you later. Bye.